Hey guys, what's up? Today we're back with another Play-Doh video. Yay! So what are we making today? You guessed it right. Today we're gonna be making sandwiches. So are you excited? Let's open the box and see what's inside. The first item we have here is the mold to make our breads. So we can make baguettes and the flowery shape are desserts, I think. Then we have the blue Play-Doh. Next we have a red plate. Then we have two more Play-Doh. So we have white and orange Play-Doh. We also get a brown Play-Doh, but this one comes in a bottle. And we have yellow Play-Doh. So we have green Play-Doh, a rolling pin, red Play-Doh. Cool, we have 7 Play-Doh so far. And we have a darker brown Play-Doh here, and a plastic knife. And lastly, we have the plastic mat. Should we start already? Come on, let's do it! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting surprise egg videos after this, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys very soon.